Hi, Uncle! Happy birthday! Tani, happy ka karon nga birthday nimo and God bless you. More birthdays to come. Kabalo ko, nagtipon-tipon mo karon. Tani, na-fulfill nila nga happy jud ang imuhang heart.
Nicole, salamat sa imong kaayo. Salamat sa pag-welcome kanunay kung mag-adto mi dira. Unta matagaan pagtaas ng kinabuhi og maayong lawas. Maulang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, tatay. Tatay. Ay, tatay. Birthday, tatay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Tatay!
tatay.
Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Day to you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lo. Wish you all the best. Wow!
Hey Uncle, kamusta ka Uncle? Wishing you a happy birthday full of happiness and good health. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Lobaris!
Happy birthday, Lolo Maris!
God bless you!
Happy 72 birthday, Papa.
Hello, Papa. Happy birthday. I wish you good health, long life, and you know that I love you so much and that I'll do everything for you. Pasensya na this year. Wala tayong handa. Pero bawi na lang next time. Love you. Happy birthday.
Ako ay si Randy Buton, kaunom nga anak ni Mr. Barisio Buton. Nagagreet ko og happy birthday sa imo pang pasaylo ako sa tanan akong nabuhat. Gahit kay ulo usahay, more blessing, good health sa imuha, be strong. Thank you sa tanan sa imong sakripisyo, o happy birthday sa imuha pang. Love you, more blessing.
Hello, Papa!
Happy birthday! Ang pala ko sa Ginoo nga tagaan ka pa mayo nga lawas kag malaway pa nga kinabuhi nga kauban na mo diri sa kalibutan kag good health always kag stay strong kag more blessing and more celebration kag buotan nga ugangan. Happy birthday.
Hi pa, happy birthday. Praying pa nga tagan pa kag maayong panglawas sa Ginoo og more birthday to come pa og dili na magpagahi og ulo ha. Behave na ta kay medyo tigulang na. So papa, praying sa imong happiness every day. Although ikaw na lang isa diya sa balay usahay, medyo mingaw-mingaw, pero sige lang pa, laban lang kay ngani gid ang kinabuhi. So papa, always lang na timaning nga love ka namo and always praying gid pa nga ang Ginoo pa gid maga-bless pa gid sa imo sa matag adlaw. Amping perminti papa, I love you. Happy birthday. Mwah!
Happy birthday to you.
Go! Happy birthday, little buddy!
Sige, ulit na, ulit.
Paano mag-aliap?
Tarong ay mo short pa. Oh! Naya po ka rin adlaw ba? Oh! Gihapon.
Boxing na pud karon, oh. Oh. Dali. Oh. Oh, dali. Oh. 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 Oh.
That I love you more than words can say. You're my hero in every way. Thank you for everything you do. I'm so proud to be your son, daughter. It's true. We shared so many laughs, so many tears. You've always been there to calm my fears. A father's love is a precious gift. I'm so lucky to have you. I lift my fist that I love you more than words can say.